This is the hands-on heat lab. There were 9 stations that you had to go to, and here's the first one. Station 1, all wrapped up. I'm going to demonstrate this station for you, and you will answer the questions. Here's my candle. Here is my wire, and I'm going to put it over the candle and watch what happens. Answer the questions related to Station 1, all wrapped up. This is Station 2, heat race. And for this station, you used a conductometer. No, I'm sorry, conductometer. And it has 5 spokes. Each of these are different metals. And if you look closely, I don't know if you can see, but this is aluminum. This one is nickel. This spoke is steel. This spoke is nickel. And the bottom spoke is copper. So on the ends of each of these spokes, I've put wax shavings down. And we're going to put heat under the center in order to determine which of the metals conducts heat the best. Okay, here's our flame. We're going to put the conductometer on top of the flame, and we're going to look at which wax melts the fastest or has the highest specific heat. Oh. The first was copper, then there was aluminum, oh, there goes brass, now we're just going to see between nickel and steel, which is gonna melt first. Any day now. And I actually believe it's steel has melted, and then the nickel is still there, so that was the last one. So the order is copper, aluminum, then brass, then steel, and nickel was last. This is Station 3, spot drop. Here is the setup. You have hot colored water in the baby food jar. You have colder water in the beaker. We've covered it with foil, the baby food jar with foil, and now we're going to put it into our cold water. And remember, the baby food jar has hot water in it. Okay, now we're going to put a hole in the baby food jar, and we're going to see what just happened. And you should see that the food coloring and the water inside of the baby food jar froze. This is Station 4, heat capacity. Now I've put 75 milliliters of water in the graduated cylinder, and we're going to check the temperature. And the initial temperature of the water is right here. Uh-oh, there we go. Now we have the same amount in each one. We have iron, water, lead, and copper. So we'll put the thermometer in each one. Here's the water. And here's the lead. All right. Now, the temperature for the copper there we go. As for the copper, after the water is added to the cup, there is the iron temperature. Here is the water temperature. And all of these are in Celsius, the Celsius temperature scale. And here is the lead with water added.